everyone, I am Ivana Adhikari from grade 2 Sunkosi.
And I am Jason Bosnet from grade 2 Sunkosi. Today we are going to explore something really fun.
Capacity. That means how much a container can hold.
Let's get started. Ivana, tell me which bowl has more capacity?
I think the first one.
I think the second one has more capacity.
Let's try to fill it with same amount of water. The first one bowl is nearly full.
The second one is full. It's about to overflow.
Which proves the first one has more capacity.
And the second one has less capacity.
Jason, now you tell me. A cup has more capacity or a bottle?
A bottle has more capacity. Ivana, tell me which has more capacity, a bucket or a bottle?
A bucket has more capacity. From now on, I can tell the different capacity of containers.
Me too, Ivana.
We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.